As long as I look good, it doesn't matter what I say, right? My name is Tiana Gee. SoulPhil is my pop-up restaurant where I celebrate my heritage through Filipino and soul food fusion. I do pop-ups throughout LA, New York, and all over pretty much America. So today I'm making the infamous Patis sticky wings. It's pretty much fried chicken that's been marinated in fish sauce and bay leaves and peppercorns and chilies. And then it gets deep fried in a nice like rice flour southern dredge. And then we pair it with a calamansi aioli for that nice acidity to kind of cut through that salty umami-ness. It's like my love letter to where I come from pretty much. You know, my mom's from the Philippines, my dad's side of the family's from Alabama. And I kind of was always in a place where I was too Filipino for my black friends and too black for my Filipino friends. But SoulPhil is also like something that's really filling and like nurturing and nostalgic. I used to like play around the kitchen all the time, act like I had my own cooking show. In middle school, I took my first foods class, and then I was like, oh, this is a wrap. This is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. And then in high school, I did foods class as well. I competed to get culinary scholarships to go to culinary school, and then started out in the LA restaurant scene. I was working, my first mother kitchen was Redbird. And then from there I went to Republi before moving to New York to work for my mentor Marcus Samuelson at Red Rooster in Harlem. Last year I got to participate with my mentor Marcus for the demo, which was awesome. I want people to feel like they're getting a story a little bit. You know what I mean? Like I want to celebrate these young upcoming chefs, you know, taking up space and loving where they come from. I think that's what they can expect. Flavor for sure, and all the vibes.